Name?
Yeah.
What's your name? Luis?
Luis.
Luis, okay. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you, Luis? How old are you? How old are you? 2?
2.
Okay. You're fixing to be 3?
Yeah.
Okay, who's that?
Mika.
America.
I did pink.
And what color is it?
Red.
No, it's blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so you're gonna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
I can't.
You can? Okay. You need some help? There you go. Who bought you the giant egg? Who bought you the egg, Papas?
Mika.
America? America bought you the egg?
Yeah.
Oh, how exciting. Open it. What is it? It's a surprise egg. Oh my God, let me see. What does the egg has? Let me see. What is it?
I spied with the daddy.
It's candy.
Wow.
Wow. Lollipops. Candies like this. I think they're like chewable candies, this ones.
I just by the
Lollipops.
I just the hook.
Oh, Incredible Hulk?
Yeah.
Okay, what else? What else do we have? What's over there, Luis?
More daddy.
More candy?
Yeah.
Oh, and what are those?
Stickers.
Stickers. Can we see them, Luis? Can you show me the stickers?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I like the babies.
Oh, wow.
I like.
Captain